everyone, I'm Laura from gosimpli.ca, and today we're going to do 10 stretches for low back pain using the chair. So the only equipment you're going to need today is a chair. You don't even need to wear running shoes. I'm just in my socks to keep warm. And all of the stretches we're going to be using will use the chair in some way or another. We won't always be seated, but we'll use it for support. So our first is going to be a supported forward bend. So we'll stand up next to the chair. Actually, I'm going to turn mine sideways. And you're simply going to put your hands on it and move your legs back until you're comfortable, and just let yourself bend way over. Sort of let your head drop between your arms until it's at a comfortable position for you. Now, if your back is really sore, you might get to here. If it's feeling a little more flexible, you might get lower. And as time goes by, you might notice that your back sort of sinks lower down as the muscles release. So all of these stretches should feel good. They might be uncomfortable as you get into position, but there should be no pain. Excellent. So our next is going to be an assisted hamstring stretch. So I'm going to turn my chair back. You can just move to a different position with your chair. And we're going to put one foot up. It doesn't matter which. We'll do the other. And then we're going to lean forward, and you can rest one hand on the back, and you might be able to get your other one to the chair. You might not. And just find a position that's comfortable for you. It might be that just putting your leg up is enough to sort of release the lower back a bit, and you'll definitely feel it in the hamstrings. Tight hamstrings are going to cause tight back. So it's all connected. So we're holding each of these stretches for 45 seconds. Low back pain is a constant complaint of many, many people, starting at a quite a young age, actually. Okay, so we're just going to switch this up. We have about 15 seconds in between exercises to get to the next one. So put your other leg up. And then again, we'll do the same sort of forward fold as far as is comfortable for you, using the chair for your support. I really noticed low back pain for the first time when I was pregnant with my first child, which is a very common time for back pain to start. And it never really completely disappeared. Like, well, I don't have daily back pain. You know, picking up little ones, you'd feel it here and there. Now, I can't pick my kids up anymore. In fact, they can pick me up. But you'll notice when you twist to go and get groceries, or I live in a climate that has winter and we're heading into that. You have a little sort of slip a bit on the ice and your body jolts and you really can feel it. Or waking up in the morning, I have arthritis, mostly in my knees. Okay, the next we're going to do a seated figure four. So now we're actually going to sit on the chair. And so I'm going to pull up my left leg and get my ankle to rest on top of my right knee. And then it may feel comfortable just like this. This may be hard enough. Your leg might not come flat. It might be way up here. That's fine. As you do these stretches more and more, you will notice your flexibility increasing. Greater flexibility is going to mean less back pain. So if this is already very comfortable for you, you can try leaning forward and sort of pushing into that stretch a little bit. So, as I mentioned before, I have arthritis in my knees, and when I'm having a bad knee day, my back has to take a lot more of the weight of my body, especially when I'm walking or taking a stride. And so then I will notice it the next day in my low back, that it's just tender. It's not beyond movement, but it's tender. Now we're going to do the same stretch, other leg. So pull up your right ankle, put it across your left knee. And again, just let it relax open as far as it can. That might be here. And then, again, as the time goes through the stretch, it might lower down. And as you do these stretches more and more often, it will get more comfortable. If this is already comfortable for you, just lean forward a bit. So this, is it stretching? We can pretty much never do too much stretching. We do not do it enough as a species. So feel free to do this workout every single day, twice a day. Do it in the morning, do it in the evening. It's not something you have to worry about sort of overdoing with how many times you do it. So next up, we're going to do seated sort of torso circles. So we're just going to sort of roll our body to one side and then roll it to the other. So it's a very small movement, but it's just kind of like you're doing little circles sort of from your hips. And you might notice some spots that are a little tighter and you're like, oh, that kind of feels good. And so you can pause there for a minute and just sort of move through it, right? So you're going to sort of push your belly out and then push your back out when you go around to the other side. And just go one way, and then when you get back to starting, go the other way. Sometimes just even after having a really stressful day, to do some stretches can just help to alleviate the stress. Let it just sort of melt away. Okay, so now we're going to stand up, and we're going to put our foot up as if we were going to step up on the chair. And now just rest the weight of the leg there, and we're going to forward bend. So you will feel some pulling in the lower back here. It might even go up a bit into the mid-back. And you can rest both hands on the chair. My chair, I'm noticing, has some little cat hairs on it. Before I shut the door, there was a cat resting on here. So just a nice lean forward. If this is totally comfortable for you, you can like relax right into it. Just release everything. No need to be using any muscles at this point that you don't need to. Excellent. And now we're going to stand up and we're going to switch feet. So now I have the right leg up. Whichever one you didn't do last time, doesn't matter in what order you do them. And again, just lean forward. And you might get to here, that might be a stretch enough. You might be able to get both hands down on the chair, and if that's really comfortable, then just allow yourself, just let go, just let everything hang heavy. I like using the chair. Sometimes you can do, except for our last stretch when you're down on the floor, you can do all of these stretches at work. Like take a 5-minute, sitting break, stand up, do some stretches, and then get back to work again. It's just a nice little body break. It feels really good. Okay, so next up we're going to do a seated cat-cow. So we're going to sit again. I'm going to show you from the side. You can just face forward in your chair like this, but I'll show you from the side. So we're going to really push our back out, really round it over, and then push our chest out. And just sort of use the chair for support. You don't want to fall right off your chair as you're doing this. So sort of let everything curl into a C shape. And then bow backwards like you're making a rainbow behind you. And just go back and forth between them at a slow pace. If you find that the just really curled forward feels really good, feel free to pause here and just hold it. Or conversely, if you feel that the back is really nice, arching, then hold that one. Okay, and then our last pose is going to be, it's like a full wind tabletop pose with your legs up on the chair. So this is the one you might not be able to do at work, but you just put both legs up on the chair, and then you roll down, and you try and scoot your bum in, and you just lie here. Let your legs relax on the chair so that your back is flat on the ground. And all you do is lie here. This must be one of my favorite stretches when I have low back pain. You can just turn on the TV. There are times if it's tender, that you, like, I would just hold a book and read. I'd be like, oh, this is my most comfortable spot. So, you know, you just get on a cozy rug or a blanket. You could even do it in bed and put a bunch of pillows under your legs and just let them rest up. I don't even want to get up right now. It's just, this is comfortable. So I will say from here, thank you very much for joining me today for these low back stretches. I hope that they help to relieve some of the pain in your back or discomfort. Feel free to do this video several times a day. If you like low back stretches, give me a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more. Have a great day.